T-minus 15. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition. The DART mission on the way for humanity's first ever planetary defense test mission.
Vehicle is pitching downrange.
Stage 1 chamber pressure is nominal.
T plus 33 seconds. SpaceX launch engineers seeing a nominal conditions on Falcon 9 as we begin the trip to space carrying the DART spacecraft. M1D engines about to begin throttling down.
Power and telemetry nominal.
We're throttled down. Avionics calls out good power on the vehicle.
Vehicle is supersonic. Max Q.
We've gone supersonic. We're through the period of maximum dynamic pressure. And the Maryland 1D engines have throttled back up to full power. We're out of the throttle bucket. From here on, even though the velocity is rapidly increasing, the atmospheric density is decreasing, and so the loads are decreasing now on the Falcon 9. Everything continues to look good with the stage 1 trajectory.
Invec chill has started.
We've throttled down to hold at 4 Gs, getting ready for MECO.
MECO.
Stage separation confirmed.
Invec ignition.
We've got successful stage separation. Second stage engine ignition now at full power on the Merlin engine. Next event coming up is going to be payload fairing jettison. On the left side, you can see the titanium grid fins on the first stage beginning to deploy as we get ready to bring the first stage back down to the drone ship. Of course, I still love you in the Pacific Ocean. Getting ready now. There's the view
Separation confirmed.
of the fairing. And we've got deployment of the payload fairing and now the DART spacecraft exposed to the vacuum of outer space. Now we will be attempting to retrieve these new fairing halves with the help of our recovery vessel, NRC Quest.
Stage 2 on nominal trajectory.
Everything going well with Falcon 9 and DART.
Stage 1 FTS is safed.
Stage 1 entry burn startup.
And we heard the call out as well as visual confirmation that the entry burn has begun on the first stage. Again, this is about a 30-second burn and just helps to slow the vehicle down as it's re-entering the denser part of the Earth's atmosphere. And we just
Nominal orbit insertion.
That's what we were waiting for.
Stage 1 landing burn startup.
So we got SECO 1 on second stage. We got a confirmation of good orbit, and the landing burn has begun on first stage, and now we have a live view of first stage making its way to, of course, I Still Love You.
Stage 1 landing leg deploy.
And we had some incredible views. Now we're just waiting for some confirmation of that first stage landing here in a second, as we have a live view of second stage currently with the engine cut off as it's coasting towards its targeted orbit. And we will wait for that confirmation of that first stage landing. welcome back to the webcast of the Falcon 9 mission carrying the DART spacecraft for NASA. And coming back with some great news, as you can see on your screen, that we didn't get a live view of touchdown. We do confirm a successful Stage 1 landing today. That is the third for this booster, the 25th landing for SpaceX this year, and SpaceX's 88th overall successful recovery of a first stage. The second stage completed its first burn, placing the Falcon 9 and the DART spacecraft in the desired orbit.
We're going to listen to hear the call out and watch for DART separation.
DART separation confirmed.
And to those watching, you're witnessing a successful deployment of the DART spacecraft. The impact of the DART spacecraft with the small asteroid Dimorphos is scheduled to happen sometime between the end of September and early October in 2022, when the double asteroids are closest to the Earth. Now, during impact, the spacecraft will be traveling roughly 15,000 miles per hour or 4 miles per second. This is going to be an exciting collision to witness, and we wish everyone at NASA the best of luck with the rest of the mission.